So today we'll be looking at this project, Heart Attack Risk Prediction Dataset. So this dataset was available on Kaggle. So it is a very good dataset to practice basic machine learning. And this dataset it has been created using ChatGPT. So it is kind of a uniform distribution dataset is there. But anyway, we will see. We will do it, and it's a nice project to work on. It will help us get more grasp on the basics. So let us start it. This is my dataset. I have created a Google Drive folder and the dataset and the collab file are uploaded. I'll share the link for this project. And here I have made the collab file. Just you have to click on do right click more and Google Collaboratory. And I have renamed it to Heart Attack Prediction. I'll just put a Kaggle also. Okay. So this is ready. So let us begin our project. First of all, our step 1 is to import the libraries. I'll put some markers also to make it look good. Step 1, importing the libraries. Depending on your internet speed, it might take some time. For me, it is taking a bit time. Okay, so yeah. Also, I'll share you the link of this Kaggle, this Kaggle dataset, so you can check it yourself also. This will be available here. Okay, I'll put a hash and I'll put it here. Okay, so let us now first import the data libraries. So import NumPy as NP, import Pandas as PD, import Matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT, and Seaborn. Import Seaborn as SNS. Further, when we are training the model, we will need the model selection, train, test, split, standard scalar, all those things. So those libraries also let us import here only. So for standardization, for standard scalar, we need from Scikit-learn dot preprocessing import standard scalar. For train test split, we need a library from Scikit-learn dot model selection import train test split. And we will be needing the metrics. So from Scikit-learn dot metrics import accuracy score, confusion metrics, classification report. Now in this project there is something different that we are going to do compared to the previous project that we had done. In this project, to train the models, we'll make a function, and that function will be that function will be doing the repetitive jobs that we were doing in the previous project. So we will see how it works, and it's a very interesting project, a very interesting code. I am sure you will like it. So our step 1 is done, importing the libraries. I'll put it as a markdown. I'll delete this. Okay. Now my step 2 is to load the dataset. Simply you have to do df equals to pd.read csv, and you have to put the location of the file. Now to connect the Google Drive with your collab, you need to mount the drive. In case you are working on VS Code, you simply have to give the location. If it is in the same folder, VS Code will automatically take it. Otherwise, you have to give the location of that CSV file. So I have mounted my drive. I will simply navigate to the location of that file. Just taking a slight time. Okay, go to my drive. I think I kept it here. This is the one. So wherever you have kept your file, you have to navigate to that place. Just copy the path and paste it here. Done. It is done. Let us check it. df.head. Okay. So we have the data set. Patient ID, age, sex, cholesterol, blood pressure, diabetes. All these things are there. When we scroll to the right, heart attack risk. So this is my target variable. So it is a classification problem. It has to be specified as 0 and 1. So the next step, let us move on to the next step. Next step is data inspection. Let me put a text. Step 3, data inspection. In the data inspection, we will just check our data set that has been loaded. So df.shape will check the shape. Okay, so 8763 and 26. 26 features are there, 8763 records are there. Now df.info. So yeah, so df.info, we have done df.info. So we can see we have our different features. So what are the types of that features? Data type. So we have patient ID, which is object, age, which is integer. Some more object are there, means object are the ones that are having numerical values, categorical values. So we need to change them to numerical because machine learning models can work on numerical values only. Now here, see, few of the we'll see, but patient ID we know that we can drop it because this will not contribute to model training. So since we have identified it here only, let's drop it here. So df.drop patient ID. Can simply copy it from here. Comma, you have to specify the axis. Axis equals to 1 and in place equals to true. So it is done. Now let us check for the missing values also. So df.isNull.sum. So we see that there are no missing values in this data set. As we had mentioned earlier, so it was created by ChatGPT. So, it has been acknowledged in the data by Kaggle. So it is quite expected that there wouldn't have been any missing value. So that's good for us. In this case, we don't have to do the missing values handling. So the next step is EDA. We'll be doing the EDA in the next section. So I do hope that you are enjoying the video. Thank you.